Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete the Cash App transaction history. It's time to actually delete your Cash App history and account. First of all, launch Cash App. Then, tap on your profile icon. After that, go into Support and select Account and Settings. Now tap on Delete Your Personal Information. You will get related information and recommendations. Scroll to the bottom and hit Contact Support. Then, tap on Chat. Tell Cash App Support you want to delete your personal information and account. Once you are done with the process, you can create a Cash App account again if you want. Your Cash App history will be gone. All new activity will be recorded again. You will have to go through the same process to delete it once again. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.